Imagine peering into the darkness of the universe, and finding something that shouldn't exist. Stars forming too soon. Galaxies older than time itself. Massive structures that seem to defy everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. This is what the James Webb Space Telescope has just uncovered. And if these discoveries are true, we may need to rewrite the very story of the universe. When the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, launched in December 2021, it was called Humanity's Window into Cosmic History. Its mission was to peer deeper than any telescope before it, into a time when the first stars flickered into existence after the Big Bang, the so-called cosmic dawn. Armed with a 6.5-meter gold-coated mirror and instruments capable of capturing faint infrared light, Webb became our most powerful time machine. And it didn't take long to break physics. Within months of its first data release, Webb revealed galaxies so bright and so massive that they shouldn't exist, at least, not that early in the universe's timeline. Some appeared just 300 million years after the Big Bang, but already contained billions of stars. To put that into perspective, that's like finding a fully grown adult in a nursery of newborns. According to standard cosmology, it just shouldn't happen. Astronomers were stunned. Either these galaxies formed faster than our theories allow, or something about our understanding of cosmic evolution is deeply flawed. Could it be that dark matter clumped together faster than we thought? Or maybe the very expansion rate of the universe, known as the Hubble constant, isn't what we believed. These aren't just small corrections to the model. If Webb is right, it could mean the entire timeline of the cosmos, from the Big Bang to today, needs to be stretched, reshaped, and maybe even redefined. But Webb didn't stop there. Its infrared vision pierced through cosmic dust clouds, unveiling stellar nurseries where new stars are born. In the Carina Nebula, Webb captured towers of glowing gas and shadowed pillars where radiation from young stars sculpts new worlds. Its beauty and chaos intertwined, a reminder that the universe is both violent and creative. In the Orion Nebula, Webb spotted protoplanetary disks, baby solar systems forming right now, possibly like our own 4.5 billion years ago. These discoveries are not just breathtaking, they're windows into our own origins. And then, there's something even stranger, the detection of complex carbon-based molecules, the chemical precursors of life, in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Webb has analyzed the light filtering through alien skies and found water vapor, methane, and even hints of carbon dioxide on some worlds. One planet, K218b, showed the signature of a molecule called dimethyl sulfide, which, on Earth, is only produced by living organisms. It's not proof of life, not yet, but it's the closest we've ever come to sniffing out biology light years away. Imagine this: a telescope a million miles from Earth, orbiting the Sun, detecting chemical fingerprints of life on a world we can't even see directly. That's not science fiction, that's now. But for every answer Webb provides, it raises 10 new questions. Why are some galaxies so large so early? Why do we find cosmic structures, filaments and clusters, that seem to form faster than our computer models predict? And what's powering some of the most luminous objects Webb has ever seen, quasars shining brighter than entire galaxies? Some researchers believe Webb may be hinting at new physics. Perhaps dark matter behaves differently than we assume. Maybe dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the universe's expansion, isn't constant after all. Or, in a more radical view, maybe the Big Bang itself wasn't a single event, but part of a cycle. A cosmic reboot that's happened before, and will happen again? That's the kind of question Webb forces us to ask. It's not just showing us more of the universe, it's showing us a universe that behaves differently from what we imagined. And as we move into late 2025, Webb's upcoming observation schedule is nothing short of revolutionary. Its next targets include the faintest, oldest galaxies ever detected, potentially just 200 million years after the Big Bang. It will also focus on exoplanet atmospheres with unprecedented detail, hunting for biosignatures on rocky, Earth-sized worlds orbiting red dwarfs. Some of these targets are part of the so-called Habitable Zone Survey, which aims to determine how common life-friendly environments truly are in our galaxy. If Webb finds even one confirmed biosignature, a chemical cocktail that can't be explained by geology or chemistry alone, it would be the biggest discovery in human history. It would mean that life is not an accident, but a pattern, written into the fabric of the cosmos itself. And yet, amid all the excitement, Webb also reminds us of our limits. We are tiny observers, on a small blue planet, looking at ancient light that's traveled billions of years just to reach us. Every photon Webb collects is a message from the past, a glimpse into what the universe was, long before we ever existed. There's a quiet poetry in that. For all our technology and ambition, Webb ultimately reflects our most human trait, curiosity. The desire to look up and wonder, what's out there? And perhaps more importantly, what does it mean that we can even ask that question? So, what's next for the James Webb Space Telescope? In 2026, it will begin a collaboration with the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, another space observatory designed to map dark energy and dark matter on the largest scales ever attempted. Together, these two telescopes could help unravel the biggest mystery of all, what the universe is really made of. Because here's the truth, everything we can see, from galaxies to stars to planets to people, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest, dark matter and dark energy, remains invisible, untouchable, and unexplained. And that's where Webb might truly shine, not just showing us what's there, but revealing what we don't yet understand. Maybe that's the real mission, not to find final answers, but to keep expanding the horizon of questions. Outro, cinematic, slow. So as Webb continues to stare into the abyss, it's not just uncovering the universe's secrets, it's holding up a mirror to us. Every new discovery, every impossible galaxy, every whisper of alien chemistry reminds us that the cosmos is far bigger, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. Because the deeper we look into space, the more we realize, the story of the universe is still being written. And the James Webb Space Telescope is holding the pen.